embody tiwala ako sa my Kay, that someone who's trusted by generations of Filipinos, both in their homes and in their hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the newest face of Kyowa, the queen of Pinoy soap opera and prime superstar, Miss Julianne Santos Agoncillo. Before we hear from Julianne and the Kyowa team, let's first take a look at what this partnership is all about. It is a collaboration that is rooted on trust, family, and the joy of simple moments made special. Let's all watch this. Play video, please. That's a really good one.
I've proven myself as an actress, but when I became a chef, marami ang nagtanong, may Kay ba siya? Siguro naman by this time, na-prove ko na may Kay ako. May kakayahan, may kaalaman, at syempre, may katuwa. Kyowa. Sa Kyowa ko nagtitiwala. Subok na ang galing for 38 years. Kaya sa kitchen, tiwala ako sa may Kay. Kyowa.
The beautiful Miss Julianne Santos Agoncillo, and you're such a commanding presence in the kitchen. I love it. It really shows us how authentic you are, both as someone who is truly trusted and values the comfort of home, and also as a mom, of course, and of course as a chef. And I love how it perfectly captures what Kyowa stands for as well, which is trust, simplicity, and the kind of warmth that makes everyday life special. So congratulations once again to Dai and the Kyowa team. Let's give a round of applause to this partnership for everybody. And with that, it's time to hear a few words from the woman of the hour, the newest face of Kyowa, Miss Julianne Santos Agoncillo. A few words, please.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And of course, first and foremost, thank you to my newest family, Kyowa. Salamat po sa tiwala. Thank you for making me a part of your family. It's really an honor. And each and every one of you, it's very nice to see all of you again. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much. All right, for more than 38 years, Kyowa has been part of our everyday lives. In the kitchen, where families bond, in the meals that we share, and in the comfort that comes from knowing we're using something made with care and reliability. And now that same spirit of trust and everyday excellence finds a perfect partner in Julianne. And to officially mark this meaningful collaboration between a brand that's built on trust and a woman who embodies it in every way, we now move to a truly special moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in witnessing the official contract signing between Kyowa and Miss Julianne as we celebrate the partnership that brings warmth, trust, and innovation to every Filipino home. I'd like to again acknowledge once again the presence of Kyowa COO, Mr. Eugene Ong, Kyowa President, Mr. Nathaniel Ong, my Launchpad Incorporated President, Ms. Mary Jane Camino is also here, and of course, Ms. Julianne Santos Agoncillo for this ceremonial contract signing. All right, everybody, yes, you can open up those folders. Here we go. Once again, joining us on stage right now for this signing is my Launchpad Incorporated President, Ms. Mary Jane Camino. And again, on stage is Kyowa COO, Mr. Eugene Rohr, Kyowa President, Mr. Nathaniel Ong, and of course, the newest face of Kyowa, Ms. Julianne Santos Agoncillo, making this partnership official. I love that there's a lot of cameras videos, please tag us at KiowaPH. We also have our hashtags for today. Hashtag KiowaPH, hashtag KiowaXJulian, and hashtag Tiwala Ako sa My Page. Is especially putting her name behind Koa, particularly the event, the air fry. Oh, we're done. Okay, we are finished. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Congratulations, Julian and Koa. How about a big round of applause? All right, let's do an official photo of sitting down first. Okay, everybody seated. Okay, yes, we have our camera there at the center. To our photographers, anybody who wants to take a good photo, now would be a good time to do that.
Thank you.
All right, another one standing up perhaps and in front of the tables, please. Okay,
Closer,
table,
guys.
sure, would you like to do that? Or here in front? In front, okay. After